welcome back to my channel. So your girl's gonna go to the gym in a little bit, and I decided why not real quick show y'all what's in my gym bag. But first off, let me show y'all my outfit. My outfit's so cute. I'm wearing all black today because I'm doing arms, but I just wanted to show y'all. Like, isn't this cute? Like, damn! Y'all see the booty? You know it, girl. So yeah, but I just wanted to show you my cute little outfit real quick. I gotta put on my shoes, but I'll do that when I'm about to leave. But yeah, but I'm gonna show y'all what's in my gym bag real quick. I have like another bag, but this is my like little gym bag that I love to carry when I don't want to carry that much stuff. But it's from Amazon. The brand is from Wise Patch. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Cute little cream color. I love it. So cute. And it has little padding for the arms. It has little pockets on the side and a pocket right here and a little sleeve thing right here. But yeah, let me show y'all what's in this side. Some type of hand sanitizer. This is the antibacterial hand spray and more vanilla sugar. And then I carry some type of Lysol because you never know when you need some Lysol. And then I just carry on the side some hair ties and some clippies. Sometimes I'll be needing some hair accessories, so I have that on the side. And then on this side, I have some little ear pods because my boyfriend has like backup, so I always carry his ear pods with me. And then for my main zipper, well, let me do the side zipper. I have a little side zipper right here. And it looks like that, but I just carry my wallet and some more hand sanitizer and just like a little pouch with like lip gloss and eyelash glue because I wear lashes. So I take my House of Lash eye glue, and then I have my favorite lip balm at the moment. It's from the Inky List. They sent this to me. It's the Plumping Lip Balm. I love this stuff right here. This stuff is amazing. I freaking love it. It makes my lips so pretty, like glossy, hydrated, and gives a little plump to it. But yeah, and then I have a pocket right here, but I don't have nothing in there. It's just plain. But in my main zipper, I have a lot of goodies. First off, I have my Into the Night a little body spray because I always take some type of body spray with me to the gym because yeah, it's gonna freshen up. But yeah, I'm almost done with this, and this stuff smells so good. So I have that with me. And then I have the matching lotion because you don't want no ashy legs, boobs, or arms. So I carry the matching lotion with me, and this smells so good. If you haven't, it smells so good. If you haven't gotten this, you definitely need this in your collection because it smells really, really good. So I have that with me. And then I take my creatine with me. This is from Peace Science. I get it off of Amazon. I've taken this one, and then I've taken from One Soul. I'm still trying them out, but I have this creatine I'm taking for now. And then I have this little, it's like a funnel, right? I'm guessing. My boyfriend got me this, so I can put my creatine in like my drinks and stuff like that. So I have this just in case when I need it. And then I have my clippies, so whenever I do like any squats or some type of hip thrust, sometimes I be needing these, so I just have some of these, and they're from Amazon. They were pretty cheap. They were like $10-12. So yeah, I have them in the color black, very sleek. And then I carry some type of wipes with me because you just never know when you need wipes. So Huggies, they're the real one. Love to have those in my bag. And then I have a little stuffed animal because I haven't mentioned, but my Mighty Ray has passed away, so I carry at least one of her animals with me wherever I go. So she's forever with me, so I carry her little unicorn with me. And then another little ear pods things that my boyfriend has backup, so I carry them because he has the main headphones, but when they die he has backup, so I just carry them. Next is some snacks because I love to have some snacks with me because sometimes I be feeling woozy, a little dizzy, so we need some nuts in our life. So I have this Mega Omega trail mix. It has walnuts, dry mangoes, almonds, cranberries, and pumpkin seeds. I just love having some type of nuts with me. And then lastly, in my bag, let me show y'all. Lastly, like there's nothing else, is my little makeup bag. This is my main necessity. I always have in my bag. Whenever I need something, I grab this. So this cute little bag I got from I think Marshalls. Yeah, it says the vintage. It has cute little lips all over it. And I carry a little hairbrush with me because you never know when you need a hairbrush. And then I carry my compact, my Charlotte Tilbury with my little powder puff because sometimes I'd be needing to touch up. A handy dandy pen. This is my favorite pen. This is from the Sharpie gel. This is such a great pen and writes so smoothly. And then next I have some hygiene essentials. You never can go wrong with stuff like this because we'll be needing them just in case. Like I said, and then I carry some type of liners with me. Just never know. And then I carry some type of alcohol pre-pad wipes. Just have them just in case. Don't know why I need them. And a must, you must carry some deodorant because you don't want to be stinking at the gym. So, yeah, I carry this one. This is just like a cheap one just in case, you know. And then I carry also my favorite lip balm. This is the Aquaphor. We don't need no crusty lips over here. And then I carry a mask just in case. You never know. If I'm not feeling good, my throat's kind of dry sometimes. I carry a mask with me, but oh well, yeah. And then more of these. I carry these cute little hair ties. They're so cute. I got them from Valentine's last year. I just keep them in my bag. Just never know when you need them. And then I have some hand cream. This is from Gingham Gorgeous. Smells really, really good. And then I also carry my Burt's Bees lip balm. I just carry all kinds of things just in case I need it. And then I carry some girly wipes. Just, you never know when you need them. And then I carry some type of gum with me because there's nothing wrong with some gum. A little, oh, where's the cap? It's right here. I carry some type of like perfume just in case. It's just a Coach one I have. And next I carry some type of cough drops with me. Because, girl, you never know. So I carry my whole life in here with me. Then I have a little charging port just for my charger. Which I don't even have my charger with me. But, oh well. And then I carry a little lip liner. Because sometimes I be like my lips sometimes. And I just need to touch up my lips. So this is a ColourPop one. And oh snap, it's really pretty. And then another lip balm. This is from Revlon. And this is just like a strawberry one. Super cute. And then I carry some Altoids because you never know when you need to freshen up that breath. And then my cute little pill case is so cute. I freaking love it. I carry some type of medicine with me. So I'll carry like ibuprofen, Benadryl, upset stomach one, and Tylenol. Just, I never know with me or whoever needs it. So I definitely just carry all that with me. One more thing that I also carry. Where'd it go? Okay, I had to go get this real quick, but I always carry with me when it comes to leg day is my ankle straps. These are from the Peach Bands, and I freaking love these, and they're like my go-to when I do my kickbacks and stuff like that, but I don't have my bag right now because I'm not doing legs, but yeah, I always carry these in my bag. So, yeah, that was really all what's in my bag, and I also carry a cute little clip on the side just in case I need to pull my hair up. But yeah, booze, if you have any questions about my bag, let me just show y'all real quick in the viewfinder. Super cute. I love it. I'll link everything down below from my gym bag, ankle straps, barbell clips, and anything else you want to know. Just leave a comment down below and I'll just let y'all know. Thank you so much for watching, booze, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!